Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Hello Word, the podcast where we dive into the world of English one word at a time. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm so glad you're here with me today. Let's get started with our word of the day, among. This is an A2 level preposition meaning in the middle of or surrounded by. It's a handy little word that comes up often in daily conversations. So, let's explore it together. Among is used when something is in the midst of other things or people. For example, you might say, she found her keys among the cushions on the sofa, meaning the keys were surrounded by or in the middle of the cushions. Another example could be, he felt happy among his friends, showing a sense of being surrounded by friends in a comforting way. Let's look at a few synonyms for among. A great option is amid, which can be used in sentences like, the cabin stood amid the tall trees, or in the middle of, as in, the cat was hiding in the middle of the laundry. Each synonym captures that idea of being surrounded or in the midst. On the other hand, there are antonyms for among that show a contrasting meaning. For example, outside or apart from can be used. Instead of saying, he felt at home among the crowd, you might say, he stood outside the group, feeling distant. Or, the package was sitting apart from the others on the shelf. In everyday life, among is incredibly useful. Picture this. You're at a family dinner and someone says, let's decide among ourselves who will host the next gathering. Or, at work, your manager might ask, how can we share this task among the team? Whether you're making plans, solving a problem, or simply describing where something is, among fits right in. Here are a few more examples of among in action. There was a sense of excitement among the students before the big event. The treasure was hidden among the rocks by the river. The competition among the athletes was intense, but friendly. To wrap up, today we explored the word among, a preposition that means in the middle of or surrounded by. We learned about its synonyms like amid and in the middle of, as well as antonyms like outside and apart from, and saw how it works in everyday conversations. Thank you so much for tuning in and learning with me today. If you enjoyed this episode, make sure to subscribe to Hello Word and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show and join in on the fun. I'd love to hear from you, so why not create your own sentence using among and share it in the comments? I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep exploring the wonderful world of words.